Hey guys, let's cook together for the weekend. If you have interest, keep on watching on this video. So here is my beef parboiling. I'm boiling my tomatoes, my fish, the meat which I'll be using for the stew, and my onions and scotch bonnet, my ripe plantain. Here I'll be seasoning my meat. So I've added my momo, shaki, and the beef to the pot. So I'll be seasoning them with all kinds of seasoning. That's my seasoning cube, breaking it in, and also my garlic will be coming in, my ginger and onions. That's my ginger over there. Okay. I don't just mix it, I just pour it in like that. So that's my onions. So I'll mix together. Then I'll just take it to the fire to cook. Keep on watching. So guys, while my meat is cooking, I'll just wash my scotch bonnet and blended it. Okay. First and foremost, I'll be making my beans. So my beans are parboiled, so I need to take the water out. Then I add the pot to the fire and add oil to it. My oil is ready. Then I put my salt and my onions. So I stir together. Then I will add my scotch bonnet, onions, and bell pepper. So that's the tomatoes I'm adding, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of tomatoes because I'm making oil beans, not just um groundnut oil beans. I'm making oil beans, so that's my crayfish adding. Yeah, I've added my seasoning cube, so I actually forgot the part that I need to show you guys my seasoning cube, and then I add my beans. This is it. So it's time for us to make stew. So this is my pot on fire. Then I add my salt and onions again. Then I will stir together. Then I will add the remaining part of my scotch bonnet and onions again. Then I will stir, and I will add my seasoning cube. I'm using that jumbo seasoning cube. Then I will stir, then allow it to cook for some minutes. Then I will just add my tomatoes because I don't like using tin tomatoes on my stew. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't really use it. You know, it just I just want to make this one like this today. Cover to cook. So my stew has been cooking. It's time to check on the stew. So I just open and put all my meat inside my parboiled meat. Show you guys this meat. Then after putting, then I will just stir everything together. Yeah. So this is the outcome of my stew. Look at that stew. So delicious, guy. This is assorted stew. Very, very delicious. I can say that to you. I've tasted your salt. Everything is just as perfect as I want it. So keep on watching. See, yeah. So the last one for the day is time for me to fry the dodo. Yeah, my ripe plantain. So I'll just fry. Keep on watching, and if you enjoy watching, don't forget to give me big thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you all in my next video. Okay, bye guys.